He's replacing this turbo up here because it's bent. There's the new one. Yeah, Frontline does an excellent job. Taking care of biz. Look at that. Bam. Off. Here's the new one. He's walking on the Cricket. That's very nice, man. You did a good job on this. Yeah. It's perfect. It's perfecto. Look at that. Very, very nice. Taking care of his business. Excellent. That's what I'm talking about right there. Doing a little touch up there. Yeah, we love it. Taking care of business. Best Frontline all the way. Yeah, very good company. Good employees. Especially this foreman right here. He's taking care of business and he does not bullshit. I mean, play around.